Really looking at two main things in relation to human sperm function. One was how they move, so did gravitational changes impact the way they could swim forward? But we also were interested to just know whether or not they could actually reach the site of fertilisation, so be able to navigate to where they're meant to get to. And we found that they couldn't, or they were significantly reduced ability to find the end of our channel or to find the egg. But interestingly, those ones that did make it to that stage actually had increases in a certain cell population that go on to form the fetus, which we found really interesting because it may suggest an adaptive mechanism of both the sperm and those embryos that are exposed to microgravity being able to then go on to form a healthy being. We're really interested to understand whether or not it's an all or nothing effect. So do we need to have Earth's gravitational field, so that 1G, to maintain normal reproductive function? Or is it a stepwise approach? So do we see somewhat of a reduced function of our sperm as we might go down to, say, 0.8 gravitational field or 0.6 gravitational field? We're actually gaining fundamental knowledge in how sperm navigate and transverse the female reproductive tract, as well as the early embryo formation under gravity. And because we are seeing some of those adaptive mechanisms, we might be able to start to isolate those subpopulations of sperm and embryos that do seem to be able to overcome that exposure. What makes them different? Can we potentially utilise those markers to be able to actively select for those sperm and embryos in livestock production, in human IVF, to create that better outcome? So it's not just about space research, it's also about broadening our understanding of how we're all formed.